Alright, go. No, it's complete. It's fine. Oh, that's a lot of crowd. It's broken.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
This one's sandwiched.
Going into this experiment, I thought the sponges would stop the egg from cracking after being thrown out.
I thought that the sponges, the styrofoam, and the beans would survive. In conclusion, the cereal survived. The beans, I'm pretty sure, survived, even though I wasn't able to take out. It looked pretty good.
The styrofoam
Would have survived if we patched up the hole that we put it in better. That was the only part that was broken. So our hypothesis was correct in some ways and not. My God.
Is this still recording?
It is.
Cut it and please say Mr. don't.
Oh, yeah.
Eggs are a delicious meal, and it should be a law that everybody eats them at least twice a month.
Okay, this kid's good.
Oh my God, I want to be in there.
Gimme. Sean, take one.
They're very good. Like if you eat scrambled eggs, they're good, and if you like eat omelets, they're good. I mean, like I eat omelets, so they're good.
No pun intended.
Pun intended.
Oh. What's your opinion on eggs?
They're my family. I am an egg.
Opinion on eggs?
What?
Eggs.
I mean, I am one. So.
Alright. What's your opinion on eggs?
I mean, to be honest, they're like really like.
Those eggs though. Ooh.
Especially the white ones. I'm just kidding. I don't discriminate.
I don't discriminate. I like brown eggs. White eggs.
I walked into Walmart not knowing what to buy, and I came out with a styrofoam ball, cereal, bubble wrap, sponges, eggs, and a can of beans. Well, that's it. Why are we still recording?
Okay,
I can't. Where's the off?